Ladies and gentlemen, hello as always. My name is Austin Armstrong and I am very excited to show you something awesome today. It is none other than Oculus Go. I have been waiting for this since they first announced it well over a year ago. This is the first standalone, no wires, no powered by a cell phone, virtual reality headset from Oculus, pushed by Facebook since Facebook acquired it. I am so excited. I'm so excited that this finally's come. I ordered it on launch day, got here 2 days later, and I am here opening it for you. I have not opened or touched this thing yet. So the box, firstly, is pretty awesome. As you can see, this is the 32 gigabyte version. There's also a 64 gigabyte version as well. I thought I would try the 32 just to see how I like it. This one was $199.99. I believe the 64 gigabyte is $249.99. If you're interested, I'll have links in the description for these as well. So yeah, it comes with 1,000+ apps, games, and movies. On the front box here, if you can see it, we have Netflix, Facebook, of course, Anshore 2, The Body VR, New York Times. Oh, I'm so excited to watch look at the New York Times in virtual reality. That's what I bought this for. Fox Sports VR, Hulu, Jurassic World, Discovery VR, Rush, Ocean Rift, and Ultra Wings. Not sure what those games are, but I'm very excited. Let's open this thing up. All right. Here we are, ladies and gentlemen, the Oculus Go headset. On the inside it has this little paper that says, grab your phone to get started, download the Oculus app on your mobile phone to set up your headset. Put this aside for now. Feels very sturdy. It's like a heavy plastic. Let's take off some of these plastic here. Okay. So you can see maybe on the top here. So this is the power button. And then we have a plus and minus button here. Oh, actually the whole thing is covered in plastic. Okay. It also comes with a single controller here. Just down for a minute. Single controller, joystick clicker, there's a back button. This is movable and touchable as well. I'd assume this is some sort of trackpad. And then the little Oculus O, which is probably a home button. Let's see, does this kind of pops out too. And it looks like, yeah, this is a AA battery, so it runs on a single AA battery. Okay. I'm gonna try this sucker on. Let's see. Well, it's very comfortable. It's a little heavy. It's not the lightest thing, but it is very comfortable. The foam padding goes all the way around. I can see, well, when you have it snug fit perfectly, there's a little bit of light coming out of the nose, but not a lot. It's pretty pitch black in this. This is adjustable as well, which is very nice. You want to take a look in there. Adjustable straps. Yeah, it fits very well. Very snug, like I was saying. A rubber something. I don't know if this, it looks like it goes in there, but I don't know. Oh. It's an eyeglass spacer. In here, as you can see on there, it comes with obviously the headset, the controller. It comes with a lanyard, which is in here, the eyeglass spacer, a charger cable, a single AA battery. Thank you for including that one battery, Oculus. Charger's very nice. USB. Yeah, USB to micro USB cable. Little glasses cleaner. And then some warning and safety information. So yeah, that's pretty much what comes in the packaging. Not much else in here. The packaging itself is very nice. This is built very, very firm. I also have the Samsung Galaxy Gear, and it's about the same size. This is a little bit heavier in my opinion, but this is also powered by itself. It's not relying on the phone. So I assume that there's some circuitry in here and whatnot. Yeah, so I'm gonna try and fire this thing up and let's get it running. Okay, so I have installed the Oculus Go app on my phone. That's the first thing you need to do, and I have charged this, so it is powered on. There we go. Okay, and the first thing it wants you to do is to continue with Facebook. So I'm going to do that, and let's just kind of walk through this process, see what happens. Okay, privacy settings. Okay, Facebook already has all my info anyway, so it doesn't really matter to me. Okay, welcome to Oculus, and I'm just going to press start now. Turn on your Oculus Go and hold the power button until the status light turns on. So it's searching for my Oculus Go. Oculus Go found. Continue. So then it pairs your headset to your phone. Searching for Wi-Fi networks. Okay friends, so I finally have this all set up, and yeah, it's pretty amazing. Basically, you have to make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi. You have to log in through the device as well. So make sure you know your Wi-Fi password. As far as the actual interface, it's pretty incredible. This controller is spectacular and surprisingly accurate, and the interface is very cool. Now, I haven't used Gear VR a lot. This is really my first deep dive into virtual reality, but this is, it's just incredible. The quality is, it's spectacular. It's as if I'm there. I set my background in here to Monument Valley, so I'm just floating above here. There's quite a few. So you have a home menu here, and then you're able to install different apps. I've tried a couple. Let's go into Facebook 360. So this trackpad on here, to go left and to go right, you literally just move your finger across. Oh, I saw my first cat video. Of course there's a cat video in here. So I can watch. So I'm connected into Facebook right now. Okay, what I really like about this, again with the controller, is that you actually see the controller in the app here. It's kind of floating, which is a little disjointing because I don't see my hand, but it's completely free flowing. I can turn it over, I can move it all around. It points a little laser out. So the Facebook app is very cool. You can see all of your own photos. There's a ton of interactive content here. Okay, I'm gonna get out of Facebook. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, there's a Visbit 8K VR player. I'm gonna give this a shot. Okay, so these are very high quality videos apparently. Times Square, no. Alright, I'm gonna do pandas. Let's check out some pandas. Who doesn't love pandas, right? It's like a panda theme park. Where the hell am I? So this is pretty interesting. So it actually blurs. The motion blur is actually very interesting. So when you move your head, it actually blurs until you stop moving, and then it immediately focuses. There's people behind me taking photos. Although I am not able to leave. I'm just here stuck with the pandas. Okay, so all in all, this headset is spectacular. My first impression, I'm blown away. This is everything I have ever wanted in virtual reality and more. The quality of the video, of the content in here is spectacular. I cannot wait to play around more with this. The headset is beautiful. It's very well constructed. The controller is very responsive. Everything's intuitive, easy to use. I am super excited for the future of virtual reality. It is no longer the future, it is now. So with that being said, upon my initial reactions to this, I can't recommend it enough. I am super excited to start experimenting more and seeing how I can utilize this both for fun and for business purposes as well. So I'm sure this is going to open up a ton of advertising opportunity and creative opportunity for you and your business to be able to create virtual reality content. I know I bought a 360 camera not too long ago. I've been making some videos with that. I'm very excited to see how that integrates into this. So if you're interested in checking out the Oculus Go, I'll have a couple links in the description below that you can click on both to get the 32 gigabyte version like this as well as the 64 gigabyte version. It's available now on Amazon.com as well. So I would love to hear your thoughts if you're into virtual reality, if you have your own Oculus Go, if you have any favorite apps within there as well, let me know in the comments section below. And if you have not yet, I would love for you to subscribe to this channel. I'm going to continue to put out excellent quality content for you. So I will see you next time, friends.